Want to open a licensed group home in Michigan? Here's your complete step-by-step guide from choosing your location to getting state approval. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your business structure. First, decide how to structure your business. Most choose an LLC or corporation. This protects you legally and helps you register with the state. Step 2. Register with LARA. Next, register your business with Michigan's Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs, LARA. This makes your operation official in the state's system. Step 3. Get an EIN. If you plan to hire staff or pay taxes, you'll need an employer identification number from the IRS. It's free and easy to get online. Step 4. Confirm zoning approval. Before picking a property, confirm it's zoned for a group home. Contact your city or township to request zoning approval for a residential care facility. Step 5. Prepare licensing documents. Gather required documents, your articles of incorporation, zoning approval, proof of insurance, and staff background checks. You'll need these to apply. Step 6. Apply for state license. Submit your application through the LARA portal. You'll detail your services, staff, and facility. Be thorough, missing info can delay your approval. Step 7. Pass health and safety inspections. Inspectors will visit your group home to check fire safety, health standards, and building codes. Your home must meet Michigan's strict safety rules. Step 8. Pay licensing fees. Once your application and inspections are approved, pay the required licensing fee. The amount depends on the size and scope of your group home. Step 9. Train and certify staff. Make sure your staff is trained in CPR, first aid, and any other state-required programs. Certifications must be current to stay compliant. Step 10. Maintain and renew your license annually. Your license must be renewed every year. Submit updated documents, track changes in state law, and make sure your facility stays in full compliance. That's it, your complete roadmap to starting and licensing a group home in Michigan. For expert help with policies, documents, or consulting, visit www.carepolicy.us today.